Hi, I'm Anna Falso-Gluck. I'm a project manager and designer at Remodel Republic, and we just finished this beautiful kitchen, bathroom, and powder room. We did two-tone cabinets down here in the kitchen with nice quartz countertops on the walls and hood surrounds, a nice thick mitered edge, and beautiful gold fixtures and hardware to finish everything off.
Hi, and our house has gotten remodeled by Remodel Republic, and our kitchen, our living room, and basically most of our downstairs floor has gotten remodeled. I'm really happy with the outcome, especially with our backyard, and again, thanks to Remodel Republic.